everyone. For today's video, we discuss the parts of the car and the function of us. First, we have the signal light. Signal light is using with motor in the highway at the back. And the second is we have the name of side mirror. And this one is windshield wiper to clean the rear glass. And we have also the name of parts of our plate number. And this one is wheel, the front wheel and the back. This one is open door, you open your car. And this one is the trunk. And we have the tail light, the left and right. We have the spare wheel, and this one is body shape molding. This is the window, and the lower background is we have the battery, the transmission, and engine, and other parts of the car. Parts of the inside of the car, we have the brake, oscillator, and the front we have the two chairs, and the back we have also the two chairs, and of course we have a self belt to protect you while you're driving the car from the accident. And again we have the clutch, brake, and oscillator. When you're driving, you make a safety. That's all the parts of the car, and I know hoping for some learn for this video. Thank you.